Hello everyone, I am Purnika and welcome back to Sai Medha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the job notification of Damodar Valley Corporation. So this notification is noticed for special drive recruitment of engineering graduates as executive trainees in DVC through GATE 2025 for SC, ST, OBC, NCL and PWBD backlog vacancies. So in this video, we are going to see that the special drive recruitment for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD backlog vacancies from eligible candidates for the post of executive trainees ECs in the disciplines of mechanical, electrical, civil and CI through GATE 2025. So now we are going to see about the posts. The post, which is executive trainee mechanical, has number of vacancies at 21, the total vacancies, and executive trainee electrical is 17 vacancies, and executive trainee civil has 11 vacancies, and executive trainee instrumentation has 5 vacancies. Next, we are going to see the upper age limit. The upper age limit is 29 years as on closing date of online application for unreserved candidates. Age relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD and ex-servicemen candidates will be as per GOI guidelines. There will be no upper age limit for DVC departmental candidates. And departmental candidates shall also be required to qualify in the corresponding paper of GATE 2025. Next thing, we are going to see that the executive trainee, the education qualifications or the engineering discipline is for executive trainee mechanical, it should be mechanical or production or industrial engineering, production and industrial engineering, thermal, mechanical and automation, power engineering. And the GATE 2025 paper should be mechanical engineering. And here in executive engineering, electrical, the disciplines are electrical or electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation and control, power systems and high voltage, power electronics or power engineering. And the GATE paper should be electrical engineering. For executive trainee civil, the discipline has to be civil engineering, and also the GATE paper has also need to be civil engineering too. Next, executive trainee CAI, C&I, the discipline is instrumentation engineering, instrumentation or electronics and instrumentation, or instrumentation and control or electronics and instrumentation and control, and the GATE paper should be instrumentation engineering. Next thing, we are going to see the relaxation in upper age limit. That is, for OBC it is 3 years, for SC or ST it is 5 years, and for OBC NCL with PWBD candidates it is 13 years, and for SC or ST PWBD candidates it is 15 years. And next thing, we have to note that only GATE 2025 marks out of 100 are valid for this recruitment, and GATE marks of 2024 or prior to that are not valid. Next thing, the application fee. The application fee for OBC categories is 300 rupees, and for SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen there is an exemption of fees, and also for DVC departmental candidates. And the last day for payment of application is 23rd of December. Next, the pay scale in the first year in the probation period is 56,000 to 1,77,500 in matrix level 10. And after the selection, you will need to the selected candidates will be required to execute a service agreement bond to successfully complete the prescribed probation period of 1 year and therefore serve the organization for at least 3 years, that is for at least 4 years. So the last date of closing of application is 23rd of December till 11:59 p.m. For more such notifications, stay tuned for our channel and subscribe. If you like our video, please like our video and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. This PDF is posted in our Telegram channel. Thank you.